Hello viewers, you are highly welcome to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial today, we are going to be looking at this. So we are still under binary operations. So today we are going to be looking at associative property. So now before we can do anything, so we like to read this definition for us. We have the definition. The operation style defined on a set of real numbers is associative if A as there is B as there is C equals to A as there is B as there is C. So can you see the way it is formed? So the first one doesn't have bracket, so we only uh put the bracket, we only bracket the B and C here, and we bracket the A and B, then we leave the C. For every A, B, C belong to set of real numbers. That is, for every number in a set of real numbers. Are you getting now? So therefore, for example, addition and multiplication, that is addition and multiplication, they are associative. Example, so when we have AB into bracket C equals to A, are you getting now? So let's see, that is when this is equals to this, when the left hand side is equals to right hand side. So now for example, let's say we have what? We have our A to be 1 and what? And B to be 2. You understand? So AB is going to be 1 times 2. Are you following? Then we have what? We have C to be 3. Are you getting now? So let's see now. This is the form of AB, common C. So now let's see what this is going to give us. You can see that we are going to have what? 1 times 2 is going to give us 2. Then we have what? We have 3. So 2 times 3 is going to give us what? It's going to give us 6. That is for this. This is for this one, left hand side. So now let's consider the right hand side too. So we have what? We have 1 here into bracket 2 times 3. Okay, so we are going to have what? We are going to have 1 times what? 1 times 6, and we are going to have the result to be 6. So you can see that from here the left hand side is equals to the right hand side. So, and that is what associative property really means. Do you understand now? So therefore we can conclude that this multiplication, okay, the multiplication here is what is associative. Is that understood? Now let's go to the what? Let's go to the addition. So now we are going to have what? We are going to have our A to be 1 plus 2, okay, then plus 3. So now what this is going to give us? 1 plus 2 is going to give us 3, okay, then plus what? Plus 3. We are going to have what? We are going to have 3 plus 3, and that is going to give us 6 as well. Now let's consider this right hand side too. So we are going to have what? We are going to have 1 plus what? 1 plus 2 plus 3. So now we are going to have 1 plus 2 plus 3 is going to give us 5. Then we have 1 plus 5, and that is what? And that is 6. You can see that this is equals to this. So therefore we conclude that what? We conclude that addition and multiplications are what? Are associative. Is that understood? So now that is that about associative property. Now for example, let me give you this example here. We want to find this. So what are we going to do? What we are going to do is that we are going to round this one inside the bracket with what? With this definition given to us. Okay, so this is going to be, we look at 4 asterisk 1 first. So this is going to be here, A is going to be 4 and B is going to be what? 1. So now we run it here. We are going to have 4 plus 1, then plus what? Plus 4 times 1. So 4 plus 1 is what? 4 plus 1 is 5. Then 4 times 1 is 4. So we are going to have what? We are going to have 9. So now 4 asterisk 1 equals to 9. So therefore we are going to have what? We are going to have, if you want to bring it here, so we are going to have this to be what? To be 3 asterisk 9, because this 4 asterisk 1 is same thing as what? Same thing as 9 according to what we have here. Then we are now going to run this one also, though here is going to be, A is going to be 3 here this time around, and what? And B is going to be what? Is going to be 9. So now from here we are going to have what? We are going to run 3 asterisk 9 using this uh formula given. So we are going to have 3 plus what? 3 plus 9 plus 3 times 9. And this is going to be 3 plus 9 is going to be what? It's going to be 12 plus 3 times 9 is going to be 27. So when you add these two together, we are going to have 39. Therefore, 3 asterisk what? Asterisk 9 is going to give us this. Then overall, we are going to have 3 asterisk 4 asterisk 1. Okay, it's going to give us 39, and that is what? And that is the solution to the problem given. Is that understood? So therefore, what are you going to do? So if you can try as much as possible to look forward to run this also, that is 3 asterisk 4 asterisk 1. This is the form of the one we are giving. Do you understand now? So now if you can find this, are you getting now? You see that we are still going to arrive at what? We are still going to arrive at 39. Is that understood? So because we are having what? We are having all of this to be positive, that is addition. So, and don't forget that from this we have here, so we've already stated that addition and what? And so multiplications are associative. Do you understand now? And in this definition given to us, so the operation we have is just one, and that is what? That is multiplication and what? And addition, right? Are you getting now? But look at this. So therefore, whatever you have when you have 3 asterisk 4 asterisk, same thing you are going to have when you have it in this form. Is that understood? So therefore, that is what we are going to do, and that is the end of today's lecture. If you find this class very interesting, do not hesitate to hit on the subscribe button, hit on the bell icon so that you'll be notified anytime we upload a new content.